Welcome to Gallagher's Grub. Today we're checking out the grill gun. So this is the grill gun by GrillBlazer, and it's essentially a really high-powered torch. As you can see, a 1-pound propane tank attaches to the handle, or you can opt for a hose and attach a larger 15 or 20-pound propane tank. To use the grill gun, you want to squeeze this here. This empties out the chamber. If there's any gas in the chamber, you want to squeeze this handle here. And then when you plug it in, you want to do it vertically, just like so. Really easy to do. And then you're ready to go. You just turn this gas knob here. You can see how high that gets. It gets really high. This is a really powerful torch, and man, I gotta say, it's pretty cool. So now I'm gonna light the charcoal in my Kamado Joe using the grill gun. Now, is it necessary to use the grill gun to light the charcoal? No, it's not necessary, but it's a lot of fun, and it brings up conversation with your friends if you're having your friends over for a barbecue. So it's a lot of fun, and it's going to spark conversation, and really isn't that what barbecue is all about. And just a few minutes later, we are lit, and you can see the grill gun's not just a lot of fun, it actually works really well. The grill gun also comes with this convenient stand, so you can prop your gun up in between uses. Okay, one thing I need to disclose is that GrillBlazer sent me this grill gun for free, but this is not an ad. I get a lot of companies offering me free grilling equipment, and I usually turn them down. I want to keep the channel as neutral as possible. But when GrillBlazer reached out to me, I definitely wanted this grill gun. This thing is really cool. I really love it, and I think that anyone who's got the grill bug like I have, or like, you know, all these grilling channels, we all have the same grill bug, and inside of all of us, I really believe, is this inner pyro, and this grill gun really fills that need. It's cool, and it lit the charcoal in the Kamado Joe like lickety split, really fast. This thing is also great if you have a sous vide and you cook your steaks in the hot water, and then you take it out and you can actually do a sear right on the steak, just like that with this thing. It's really cool. It's fun to use. It's, you know, kind of macho. I love this thing, and I would definitely recommend it. You know, if I had to pay my own money, would I buy it? Yes, yeah, I would. So I highly recommend the GrillBlazer grill gun. This thing is definitely fun to use. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you know when new videos come out. And of course, keep on grilling.